Congestion mean if this is a normal vessel, suppose this is a normal vessel, blood is flowing this way. If this vessel become dilated, the more blood will come. This is known as congestion. It can be because of arterial, it can be because of venous. Okay, so both. Arterial usually active and the venous usually passive congestion. So in congestion what you will see, basically it is the dilated vessels. So more vessels, dilatation of vessels. So it can occur in lungs, it can occur in liver. Okay, in the liver. Now here. So these areas, so this is known as typically nutmeg appearance. I think this is one not used in Arab countries, mainly in Asian, India and Pakistan. They chew it, nut.
So this is supposed to be a revision. This is the first time we see these slides.
I think Dr. Rashad has discussed it.
Yes, we take them.
Yes, yes, I think so.
Come on.
I think after one you missed the
Sorry.
Okay. Okay, still we have next week as well. So the purpose of tutorials is anything. Okay, the purpose of these tutorial, like over 4 or 5 tutorials, we I think left only 2 lectures, tomorrow and on Sunday. So we have this session and next week 3 sessions. This is for tutorial, which means whatever the things are left are not understood, we can revise. So passive congestion in the liver. This is again congestion. Congestion means dilatation of the vessels. This you have to remember. Okay, I think this is good. This typical area dark, which will see one area is dark, one is light. So dark area and light area. This is basically giving up a nutmeg appearance. Nutmeg is basically some, you can see, not a fruit. It is basically people used to chew it, like in India and Pakistan they put in this. So this is the basically characteristic color of this. So from there they took the name nutmeg. So what you will see the nutmeg is a congestion. What is congestion? You find 2 dark colors and light colors. Okay, now you can see this both different areas. Because and then this congestion is good or bad? Good. So more blood become bad. So because over here now, so when there's venous congestion, venous blood becomes more. More venous blood will be mean less oxygen.
Yes.
Though the blood is more, but oxygen is less. So that can lead to death of the cells. Okay, and even when there's a death of the cells, that will lead to congestion followed by injury to the hepatocytes, which is inflammation. Inflammation is followed by fibrosis. So this will be a liver fibrosis. Now you can see the fibrous tissue. This fibrosis will disturb the architecture of liver, and this is also problematic. Okay. Okay, this you find I think somewhat difficult. We can go again.